Hello my beloved friends, and good to be forever your heart. At the microphone Bogdan Curta. Today we'll unbox the amazing digital mixer from Yamaha. We are speaking here about the Yamaha DM3. It's the version with Dante connection. It's very important because there are two variants, one with Dante, one without Dante. It's the second mixer of this type that I'm buying. Let's open it carefully. It's from Thomann, Germany, a store that I'm recommending for the seriosity, and it's the biggest professional audio store in Europe. So they are offering 3 years warranty for every product, and also if it is a problem, you are able to make a return in 30 days. I had a similar situation. I returned it Allen & Heath digital mixer, which I compared in the past with the Yamaha DM3. You have the video in the description, and they didn't ask any questions about the reason of returning. I recommend to work with Thomann. I'm not paid by them. This video is not sponsored. The first thing is the external power transformer or power brick. I have also a power cord for the power brick. It's a discussion if it's better to be internal or external, the source of electricity, the transformer. There are advantages and disadvantages. If it's external, of course, is the risk to lose it. However, the connection is secured, but from another point of view, there are less electrical interference because the power source is outside, so it will not interact and interfere with the electronics inside of this mixer. We have here also the documentation and the codes for registrations, and of course for Yamaha VST mixer or Yamaha Studio mixer, which is allowing us to run DSP power, VST power in real time in live situations, which is very important. It's coming also with a license for the Cubase Lite for making live recordings. A very small but very powerful mixer, a lot more powerful than bigger consoles. Absolutely great sound, very clear. I know this because I worked it. I said in the video that is the second unit that I'm buying. It's absolutely amazing. Oh my goodness, how beautiful it is. Oh my goodness, very solid constructions. The faders, they are moving very beautiful. It had also some updates which improved his capabilities because now it's offering also the auto mix. The DSP, internal DSP are decent. Nothing spectacular but correct, but it's surprising with this software. Actually his power, it's coming to life when you connect this mixer to a tablet or a PC because it's using external effects. You can use plugins, SSL, EQ, compression, reverbs, tape saturation, mastering plugins, de-essers, and you can combine them with the internal effects and everything. It's supported by Yamaha, so you have a special software to do this with a license, with a code. So the thing is serious, it's not an improvisation. The fan is very silent, so a lot better than Allen & Heath QU6 that I had here and I compared. It's offering 20 channels of inputs, of course 8 outputs. Great for live performers, great for studio. You can control from here, select play or stop for Cubase or Nuendo or every DAW. From this one you can change the time, where to be inside the song. It's absolutely fantastic and amazing. You can connect also a mouse or a keyboard to this mixer. It will be recognized because it's running Linux, and it's working very well. The display is big and it's absolutely fantastic, a lot bigger and easy to see, and a lot more clear. A quality display, very high quality. You cannot compare it with the Allen & Heath, which it has a very bad display. On Yamaha you are able to read the display, it doesn't matter from which angle. On Allen & Heath I had a lot of problems with this, and the sound is totally superior, absolutely totally superior. So don't forget to subscribe, because they will arrive also other videos. Let's see it a little also from the back. We are seeing here, we are observing the Dante LAM ports. This is the electrical alimentation. This is the power switch, yes. Here we have the LAM, yes, for the application. We have also the USB, because this one is also an audio interface. We have the 20 inputs with Nutric connections. Here we have combo Nutric connection also on the outputs. Very strong and powerful board. It's beating a lot bigger digital consoles, a lot bigger. I don't want to give many names in comparison with this one, because I don't want to disadvantage any other company, but believe me, in his price class this is totally superior. The preamps, they are very clean. It's the cleanest sound that I ever heard, and don't forget that I'm working here in a recording studio, digital and analog mixers. So subscribe, because we'll present this mixer and also other devices in the future, function by function. We'll have also some amazing audio tests. So keep close, see you soon, and God bless you.